Hi friends, as you can see here, as you have seen in the thumbnail, we are going to review Global Power Mini 200 welding machine. So it comes with a warning about short circuits and things like that. So this welding machine comes in a blue color with a 200 amp rating. So as you can see, there are a green and yellow light. The yellow light indicates the overheating of the machine and auto cutoff, and the green light indicates the on off power. You can see the positive lead and the negative earth wire leads, and just right beneath the welding machine there are some other specifications of the power ratings and how it should be adjusted with the power by how to adjust the ampere. And now it is the earth lead, which is around 1 meter and which is connected to the negative terminal of the welding machine, and which is that is the connector. And actually the welding machine is only coming to the size of my palm. It is a very small welding machine. You can just compare it with the size of my palm. And the next thing is the holder, which is coming in 1.5 meter length. And actually you can see that the machine is only the size of the welding holder. That means it's around like 15 to 20 centimeters long only. So I have been using it for a while now, and I'm not a professional, I'm just a beginner, but still these are the safety purpose. We can use a safety glass or a X-ray film for welding. So now we are going to weld some metal. So basically I was working for a while, as I told you. So you are going to see here how it all went on. So actually now the machine is on, and you can see how it's going. So as I told, I'm not a professional, I'm just a beginner, so we will have a problem with the starting of arc formation. So that's what you are seeing right now. Once the arc is formed, it will be much easier for us to weld, but initially you should have much of a patience to generate the arc and continue the welding. So as you can see, it's working very smoothly. So you should adjust the ampere according to the thickness of the metal, otherwise you can see that easily holes are formed on the surface of the metal. As the thickness of the metal reduces, you should keep the ampere to the minimum and slightly adjust it as per the requirement. As you can see, I'm trying to generate an arc, and just to show that how it welds. As you can see, once the arc is formed, it will continue to generate the arcing, and welding will be easier, but initially it will stick to the surface of the metal. So that's why I am telling you that you should have sufficient patience to generate initial arc. So as a beginner, it will be very difficult for you initially. So if you work without proper glasses and films, you cannot directly look into the arc forming light. So if you look directly into it's very injurious to your eyes, and it's very difficult to sleep at night, literally I'm saying. So you should be very cautious about the safety equipments. You should have the right safety gloves, safety shoes, so that, since I'm not using it, I'm just doing it for a sampling purpose. I didn't use it, but when you are using it, you should be very cautious about the safety, and as a beginner you should be very much cautious about the safety. So when I did it for the first time, it was like my eyes were swollen for like 2 days, and it was very hurting. And I just want to show the power that it can generate. You can even cut metals with the help of this welding machine. As you can see, I'm just cutting this 8 mm metal rod. So you can see how it when fall down. So I'm just showing it to show you can even how powerful the machine is. I'm just cutting it in 90% of the, I think, like 180 amps or something like that. It sticks but it cuts. Okay, you can see it's fusing away all the metal, and you can just cut it. So it was all done to just show you the power generator. So guys, thank you for watching the video.